Hi everyone, my good friends from Tibetan fraternity and all the students. Here is the news. The 14th Tibetan Students Conference is happening at Saraje Monastery in Bailakuppe from March 1st to March 6th. It's a great pleasure to announce that students should come together as a community to stand strong, to understand the importance of global peace, universal ethics, and also to understand the meaning of compassion. Our Holiness, His Holiness Dalai Lama, has been a messenger of compassion around the world. He has gone to various countries and he has transformed people, making them understand the importance of compassion, the global peace. And to understand this, it is very important that the students from Tibetan community and fraternity and also the other students should join together, understanding the perspectives and dimension. And conference is a great place which makes you a ready man to face the world. So come together, let's all connect ourselves. In the interconnected world with the harmony is the idea of the 21st century. When the world is getting fractured, it's very important that we come together. For what? For the harmonious living. So it's a very important conference that the Tibetan students are organizing, and I appreciate the leaders of the Tibetan community who are organizing this program for the welfare of the Tibetan students and world at large. So welcome to the conference, and we'll all have a good time in the conference at Bailakuppe, and the date is on March 1st to March 6th, 2020. And we'll all have a good conferencing, and getting bonded is a great idea which we should exercise in the conference. Thanks a lot.